Okay, remember the page number? कौन सा पेज नंबर चल रहा था? What I told you to remember, right?
83 पेज नंबर मैम।
कौन सा?
83।
83। बस सौम्या को याद है, बाकी को कुछ लेना देना नहीं है। क्या हुआ था लास्ट में? ओके, डंगी की टीम खेल रही थी और लास्ट में बताया गया वी स्टार्टेड टू बिलीव जो लूजिंग टीम थी वो जीत गई। अब आगे बताया जा रहा है फेज 2। स्टार्ट रीडिंग। अंकित कुमार, रोल 50।
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading from here.
Okay. Ma'am, to understand है क्या? To understand how a coach focus on changing habits could remake a team, it's necessary to look outside the world of sports, way outside to a dingy basements on the lower east side of New York City in 1934, where one of the largest and most successful attempts at wide-scale habit change was born. Sitting in the basement has a 39-year-old alcoholic named Wilson. Years earlier, Wilson had taken his first drink during officer
विल्सन बोलेंगे तो इस पैराग्राफ में इससे पहले हम लोग देखिए कि डंगी कोच के ऊपर हो रहा था। टोनी डंगल जो फुटबॉल टीम के कोच हैं उनका डिस्कशन हो रहा था। अब यहाँ से देख रहा है ये न्यू कैरेक्टर है विल्सन, अब इनके ऊपर रिसर्च हो रहा है। ठीक है, और ये है क्या, इनको प्रॉब्लम ये अल्कोहलिक है। ठीक है, इनको ड्रिंक की लत लग चुकी है। अब ये देखिए ये कैसे ओवरकम कर पाए। ठीक है, अब ये इस एपिसोड में हम लोग ये डिस्कशन करेंगे, यानी बिल विंसन के ऊपर ये बात हो रही है। ठीक है, उस अकॉर्डिंग फोकस करेंगे।
पढ़े मैम।
हाँ,
Training camp in New Bedford, Massachusetts, where he was learning to fire machine guns before getting shipped to France and World War I. Um, prominent families who lived near the base often invited officer to dinner, and one Sunday night Wilson attended a party where he was served rabbit and beer. He was 22 years old and had never had alcohol before. The only polite thing it seemed
the only
polite. Sorry, ma'am. Think it seemed to was to drink the glass served to him. A few weeks later, Wilson
served to him.
served to him. A few weeks later, Wilson was invited in another elegant affair. Men were in tuxedos, women were fleeting. A butler came by and took a Bronx cocktail, a combination of gin, dry and fruity.
अब घर पे भी रीडिंग दिया करिए। कॉकटेल है। What do you mean by butlers? यहाँ a butler came by and put a, हाँ, butler का मतलब आकांक्षा?
Don't know मैम।
जो कॉकटेल वगैरह बहुत बड़ा जो होटल टाइप होता है और कॉकटेल जो सर्व करते हैं उसको बटलर बोला जा रहा है। ठीक है, अब बटलर केम बाय, अब समझ में। स्टार्ट। और अंकित दो यहाँ तक आप पढ़ लीजिए, उसके बाद कोई और पढ़ेंगे। लेकिन हाँ, घर पे आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है। यू नीड प्रैक्टिस टू रीड। ओके
Okay, ma'am. He took and flat. He later said as if he had found the elixir of life.
ओके, आकृति।
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
By the mid 1930s, back from Europe, his marriage falling apart and a fortune from selling stocks vaporized. Wilson was consuming 3 bottles of booze a day. On a cold November afternoon, while he was sitting in the gloom, an
What do you mean
old
by gloom? Sitting in the gloom.
मैम वो जो ठंड के टाइम पे थोड़ा वो आग जला के जो हम लोग रखते हैं उसके बगल में बैठते हैं वो वाला।
Gloom हुआ darkness.
Oh,
ठीक है,
no,
अंधेरे
sorry.
में बैठा था while he was sitting in the gloom. Okay, proceed.
An old drinking buddy called. Wilson invited him over and mixed a pitcher on मैम थोड़ा कर्सर हटाइएगा pitcher of pineapple juice and gin. He poured his friend a glass. His friend handed it back. He had been sober for 2 months, he said. Wilson was astonished. He started describing his own struggle with alcohol, including the fight he had gotten into at a country club that had cost him his job. He had tried to quit, he said, but couldn't manage it. He had been to detox and had taken pills. He had made promises to his wife and joined abstinence groups. None of it worked. How, Wilson asked, had his friend done it? I got religion, the friend said. He talked about hell
समझ में
and
आया?
temptation.
एक मिनट,
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ तक आप उसको समझ पाए? बाकी सारे बच्चे से मैं पूछ रही हूँ,
Yes, ma'am.
क्या बात हुई?
मैम वो अपने फ्रेंड को बता रहा था कि वो बहुत सारा कोशिश किया अलग अलग तरीके से इस अल्कोहल का जो हैबिट उसको लग गया था वो छोड़ने का, बट उससे नहीं खत्म हुआ। वो बहुत सारा ट्राई
हाँ, बट ये किसको बोल रहा है? ये अपने फ्रेंड को,
अपने
वहाँ पे
फ्रेंड
आप
को बता रहा है मैम।
एग्जैक्टली ये हिज फ्रेंड हैंडेड बैक, वो अपना जो ड्रिंक है वो बना करके फ्रेंड को दिया, लेकिन
दिया
फ्रेंड
और
नहीं लिया, और वो बताया कि कैसे वो अब सोबर हो चुका है। ठीक है, और फिर विल्सन एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है कि हम कितना स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, बहुत
हम
इतनी
वो पिल्स वगैरह भी लिया बट उसका सही नहीं हुआ, तो वो अपने फ्रेंड
करेक्ट
से पूछा कि आपका कैसे ये हुआ, तो उसका
करेक्ट
फ्रेंड बोला कि वो रिलीजियस थोड़ा फेथ वगैरह पे बिलीव करना स्टार्ट किया था।
गुड। अब यहाँ आगे बढ़िए, ये अब कोई और पढ़ेगा। मोनू याद है, सिर्फ अटेंडेंस के टाइम दर्शन देते हैं आप, आज रीड करिए। मोनू याद है? मोनू बस लॉग इन किए हुए हैं आप, रोल 7।
Oh, yeah, no, ma'am, no, ma'am.
No, why are you not responding?
No, ma'am.
Switch on your camera.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now start reading.
From where, ma'am?
कर क्या रहे थे अभी आप?
Nothing, ma'am.
क्या डिस्कशन हो रहा था अभी?
मैम जस्ट लॉगिन किए थे मैम अभी।
बस लॉग इन किए आप? बिल्कुल नहीं, अभी तुरंत लॉग इन तो नहीं हुआ है आपका।
यस मैम, अभी तुरंत लॉगिन किए थे मैम अभी।
5 मिनट हुआ होगा लॉग इन किए हुए।
2 मिनट मैम।
स्टार्ट रीडिंग फ्रॉम आई गॉट रिलीजन। और ये मैं क्लियर कर दूं, ब्रिज के मोनू में और अभी के मोनू में बहुत डिफरेंस आ रहा है, सो चेक योरसेल्फ। ब्रिज के सारे बच्चे को मैं पहचानती हूँ, अब मेरा ज्यादा फोकस आप लोग पे ही होता है, ठीक है? सो अच्छा जो चेंज है वो चेंज मत करिए, जो खराब चीज है उसको चेंज करिए, ठीक है? जैसे अटेंटिव पहले थे वैसे अभी भी रहिए। आई गॉट रिलीजन।
I got religion. The friend said. He asked about hell and temptation. Sin and the devil. Realize your leak, admit it, and get willing to turn your life over to God. Wilson thought the guy was nuts. Last summer, an alcoholic crackpot. Now I suspected a little cracked about religion. He later wrote when his friend left. Wilson polished off the booze and went to bed. A month later, in December 1934, Wilson checked into the Charles B.
B-Town Hospital for Drugs and Alcohol Addiction, and upscale Manhattan Detox Center. A physician started hourly infusion of a hallucinogenic drugs called belladonna. Then a walk for a treatment of alcoholism. Wilson floated in and out of consciousness on a bed in a small room. Then in an episode that has been described at millions of meetings in separatized union halls and church
Sitting in
basements. Cafeterias. Yes, ma'am. Cafeterias, union halls, and church basement. Wilson began writing in agony.
Writhing in agony मतलब गुस्से में वो तड़पना शुरू हो गया.
For days, his hallucination did. The withdrawal pain made it feel as if insects were crawling across his skin. He was so nauseous he could hardly move about. The pain was too intense to stay still. If there is a God, let him show himself. Wilson yelled to his empty room, I am ready to do anything. Anything at that moment. He later wrote, a white light filled his room. The pain ceased, and he felt as he were on a mountain top, and that a wind not of air but of a spirit was blowing. Then it brushed upon me that I was a free man. Slowly the ecstasy subsided. I lay on the bed, but now for a time I was in another world, a new world of consciousness. Bill Wilson would never have another drink for the next 36 years until he died of emphysema in 1971. He could devote himself to founding, building, and spreading Alcoholism Anonymous until it became the largest, most well-known and successful habit-changing organization in the world. And estimated 2.1 million people seek people from AA each year. And as many of 10 million alcoholics may have achieved sobriety through the group. AA doesn't work for everyone. Success rates are difficult to measure because of participants' anonymity, but millions credit the program with saving their lives. AA's foundational credo, the famous 12 steps, have become cultural lodestone incorporated into treatment program for overeating, gambling, debt, sex, drug, ordering, self-mutilation, smoking, video game addiction, emotional dependency, and dozens of other destructive behavior. The group's technique offer in many respects one of the most successful formulas for change. All of which is somewhat unexpected because AA has almost no grounding in science or most expected therapeutic method. Alcoholism, of course, is more than a habit. It's a physical addiction with psychological and perhaps genetic roots. What's interesting about AA, however, it is the program doesn't directly attack many of the psychiatric or biochemical issues that researchers says are often at the core of why alcoholics, drugs, drink. In fact, AA's method seems to sidestep scientific and medical finding altogether, as well as the types of intervention many psychiatrists says alcoholics really need. What AA provides instead is a method for attacking the habit that surround alcohol use. AA in sense is a giant machine for changing habits. Look and though the habit associated with alcoholism are extreme, the lesson AA provides demonstrate how almost any habit, even the most obstinate, can be changed.
यहाँ तक ये देखा गया कौन विल्सन है ना, तो विल्सन का पहले दिखाया गया कि कैसे फिर वो मेडिटेशन के थ्रू अल्कोहलिज्म से निजात पाना शुरू किए। यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स है, ओके यहाँ नजर आएगा आपको, ही वॉज फीलिंग दैट कि हाँ कोई है परमानेंट, इसका मतलब क्या, देखो एक नहीं होता मेडिटेशन, एक लाइट आता है इस टाइप का, ये डिस्क्राइब किया गया है कि ब्लेसिंग ऊपर से आया, ऐसा फील हुआ कि ब्लेसिंग ऊपर से आया, लाइटनिंग था पूरे रूम में, और फिर ऐसे लगा कि वो माउंटेन टॉप पे है, ठीक है, और अचानक से उसका पेन सीज हो रहा था मेडिटेशन के थ्रू, ठीक है, और वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है वो AA का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, वो हेल्प करता है बहुत सारे अल्कोहलिक को उससे निजात पाने के लिए, ठीक है। अब तक ये डिस्कशन हुआ।
मैम AA एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है मैम,
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है हाँ, जो हेल्प कर रही है अल्कोहलिक को, या और भी बहुत सारा हैबिट, बैड हैबिट को यहाँ डिस्क्राइब किया गया उससे निजात पाने के, ठीक है। अब यहाँ से पढ़िए सौम्या सिंह।
Will Wilson didn't read academic journal or consult many doctors before founding AA. A few years after he achieved sobriety, he wrote the now famous 12 steps in a rush one night while sitting in bed. He chose the number 12 because there were 12 apostles, and some aspects of the program are not just unscientific. They can seem downright strange. Kate, for instance, AA's insistence that alcoholics attend 90 meetings in 90 days, a stretch of time it appears chosen at random, or the program's intense focus on spirituality as articulated in step 3, which says that alcoholic can achieve sobriety by sobriety by making a decision to turn our will and our lives over the care of God as we understand Him. 7 of the 12 steps mention God or spirituality, which seems odd for a program founded by a one-time agnostic who throughout his life was openly hostile toward organized religion. AA meetings don't have a prescribed schedule or curriculum. Rather, they usually begin with a member telling his or her story, after which other people can chime in. There are no professionals who guide conversation and few rules about how meetings are supposed to function. In the past 5 decades, as almost every aspect of psychiatry and addiction research has been revolutionized by discoveries in behavioral sciences, pharmacological, and our understanding of the brain. AA has remained frozen in time. Because of the program's lack of rigor, academics and researchers have often criticized it. AA's emphasis on spirituality, some claimed, made it more like a cult than a treatment. In the past 15 years, however, a re-evaluation has begun. Researchers now say that the program's method, after valuable lesson, faculty at Harvard, Yale, the University of Chicago, the University of New Mexico, and dozens of other research centers have found a kind of science within AA that is similar to the one Tony Dungy used on the football field. Their finding endorse the golden rule of habit change. AA succeeds because it helps alcoholic use to same cues and get the same reward, but it shift the routine.
Okay, now someone else. Kanshan.
Researchers says that AA work
Asking
because
Akansha
the
to read.
Yes, ma'am. Researchers say that AA works because the program forces people to identify the cues and rewards that encourage their alcoholic habits and then help them find new behaviors. When Claude Hawkins was selling Pepsodent, he found a way to create a new habit by triggering a new craving. But to change an old habit, you must address an old craving. You have to keep the same cues and rewards as before and feed the craving by inserting a new routine. Take steps 4 to make a searching and fearless innovatory of ourselves, and 5 to admit to God, to ourselves, and to another human being to aspect nature of our wrongs. It's not obvious from the way they are writing, but to complete those steps, someone has to create a list of all the triggers for their alcoholic users and
Alcoholic urges.
urgers and J.
Urge,
Scott
urges. एक मिनट. किसी चीज का अर्ज होना यानी उसके तरफ खिंचाव फील होना. ठीक है, अर्ज और समथिंग. Okay.
urgers and J. Scott. Ma'am, what is this?
Tony again.
Tony Gann, a researcher at a University of New Mexico who has studied AA for more than a decade. When you make a self-innovatory, you are figuring out all the things that make you drink and admitting to someone else all the bad things you have done is a pretty good way of figuring out the moments where everything spiraled out of control. Then AA asks alcoholics to search for the rewards they get from alcohol. What cravings the program asks are driving your habit loop? Often in intoxication itself does not make the list. Alcoholics crave a drink because it offers escape, relaxation, compensate the bloating of anxieties, and an opportunity for emotional release. They might crave a cocktail to forget their worries, but they don't necessarily crave feeling drunk. The physical efforts of alcohol are often one of the least rewarding parts of drinking for addicts. There is a hedonistic element to alcohol, said Ulf Müller, a German neurologist who had studied brain activity among alcohols. But people also use alcohol because they want to forget something or to satisfy their craving, and this relief craving occur in totally different parts of the brain than craving for physical pleasure.
Okay, now wait. Shubham.
Yes, ma'am. In order to offer alcoholics the same reward they get at a bar, AA has built a system of meetings and companionship. The sponsor, each member works with that strives to offer as much escape, distraction, and catharsis as a Friday night bender. If someone needs relief, they can get it from talking to their sponsor or attending a group gathering rather than toasting a drinking buddy. AA forces you to create new routines for what to do each night instead of drinking, said Tony Gann. You can relax and talk through your anxieties at the meetings. The triggers and payoffs stay the same. It's just the behavior that changes.
ओके, जैसे टोनी डंगी भी बात कर रहे थे, ये क्यू, रूटीन और रिवॉर्ड, ये दोनों सेम रहने देंगे और रूटीन बस चेंज कर लेंगे। वही चीज यहाँ बताया गया कि यहाँ क्यू है, ठीक है, जो चीज ट्रिगर किया अल्कोहल की तरफ, और फिर वो मीटिंग जो ए ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही थी, उन लोगों से आपस में बात करके अपना एंजाइटी शेयर करके वो सेम रिवॉर्ड हम गेन कर सकते हैं जो इसके थ्रू होता था।
Yes.
ठीक है।
One particularly dramatic demonstration of how alcoholics cue and reward can be transformed to new routines occurred in 2007 when Mueller, the German neurologist, and his colleagues at the University of Magdeburg implanted small electrical devices inside the brains of 5 alcoholics who had repeatedly tried to give up booze. The alcoholics in the study had each spent at least 6 months in rehab without success. One of them had been through detox more than 60 times. The devices implanted in the man's head were positioned inside their basal ganglia, the same part of the brain where the MIT researchers found the habit loop and emitted an electrical charge that interrupted the neurological reward that triggers habitual cravings. After the man
बेसल गैंग्लिया के बारे में हम लोग कहाँ पढ़े थे और कौन से कैरेक्टर पे ये रिसर्च हो रहा था? Remember?
मैम जो क्रेविंग्स हमारे माइंड में मतलब हैबिट लूप में शो करता है,
हैबिट लूप ब्रेन के किस पार्ट में होता है? ये तो बेसल गैंग्लिया, लेकिन कौन से चैप्टर में हम लोग डिस्कशन किए थे फर्स्ट टाइम बेसल गैंग्लिया के बारे में? कृत रंजन, आई थिंक यू वर देयर, आई सपोज।
I'm not clearly remember.
It's the first chapter of your habit loop. यूजीन, remember? यूजीन के ऊपर रिसर्च हो रहा था जो जिसको भूलने की बीमारी थी, याद है?
Yes, ma'am.
वहाँ पे फर्स्ट टाइम इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था बेसल गैंग्लिया, द पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन व्हिच इज रिस्पांसिबल फॉर योर हैबिट। ओके, अगर वो बेसल गैंग्लिया किसी का इंजर हो जाता है तो उसको डेली जो रूटीन लाइफ है वो जीने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है।
yes,
ठीक है, ओके, स्टार्ट। आफ्टर द मैन रिकवर्ड,
after the man recovered from the operations, they were exposed to cue that had once triggered alcoholic urges, as such as photos of beer or trips to a bar. Normally, it would have been impossible for them to resist a drink, but the devices inside their brains overrode each man's neurological cravings. They didn't touch a drop. One of them told me the craving disappeared as soon as we returned the electricity on, Mueller said. Then we turned it off, and the cravings came back immediately. Eradicating the alcoholic's neurological cravings, however, wasn't enough to stop their drinking habits. 4 of them relapsed soon after the surgery, usually after a stressful event. They picked up a bottle because that's how they automatically dealt with anxiety. However, once they learned alternate routines for dealing with stress, the drinking stopped for good. One patient, for instance, attended AA meetings. Others went to therapy. And once they incorporated those new routines for coping with stress and anxiety into their lives, the successes were dramatic. The man who had gone to detox 60 times never had another drink. Two other patients had started drinking at 12, were alcoholics by 18, drank every day, and now have been sober for 4 years. Notice how closely this study hews to the golden rule of habit change. Even when alcoholics' brain were changed through surgery, it wasn't enough. The old cues and cravings for reward were still there, waiting to pounce. The alcoholics only permanently changed once they learned new routines that drew on the old triggers and provided a familiar relief. Uh, some brains are so addicted to alcohol that only surgery can stop it, said Mueller. But those people also need new ways for dealing with life. AA provides a similar, though less invasive, system for inserting new routine into old habit loops. As scientists have begun understanding how AA works, they have started applying the program's method to other habits such as 2 years old tantrums, addictions, and even minor behavioral tics. As AA's method have spread, they have been refined into therapies that can be used to disrupt almost any pattern.
Okay, now Ritu.
In summer 2006, a 24-year-old graduate student named Madi walked into counseling center at Mississippi State University. For most of her life, Maddie had waited for her nails.
Okay, now Mandy, new characters entrance. विल्सन के बारे में डिस्कशन हो गया, एयू के बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन हो गया. अब यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट फेज है जो आपको बताया कैसे रूटीन चेंज, क्यू और रिवॉर्ड सेम रख करके हम ये अगेन हैबिट चेंज की. मैंडी का क्या हैबिट है? पहले था विल्सन का, था आपका अल्कोहल का. इसका हैबिट है बाइटिंग नेल्स का. ठीक है, अपना ये तो आप में से भी बहुतों का होगा ही. आगे देखिए.
Draining until they blend. Lots of people bite their nails. For chronic nails beaters, however, it is a problem of a different scale. Mandy would often bite until her nails pulled away from her skin underneath. Her fingertips were covered with teeny scalps. The end of her finger had become blunted without nails to protect them, and sometimes
आप ऑफ्टन पढ़ते हैं, ऑफन ही पढ़िए. ठीक है, और इसको टीनी नहीं टाइनी पढ़िए. ठीक है. ओके, प्रोसीड.
they tingled or itched, a sign of nerve injury. The biting habit and damaged her social life. She was so embraced around her friends that she kept her hand in.
She was so embarrassed. शर्मिंदा थी.
She was so embarrassed around her friend that she kept her hand in her pocket and on dates would become preoccupied with balling her fingers into fish.
What is feast?
She had tried to stop by painting her nails with treats.
Anyone can say.
मैम हमारा मुक्का जो होता है
Exactly. मुट्ठी बांध लेना है. मुक्का नहीं यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है. Exactly meaning वही है. मुट्ठी बांध लेना. वो she was preoccupied with these things. ठीक है, मुट्ठी बांध करके रहती थी. Proceed.
She had tried to stop by painting her nails with false tasting polishes or promising herself, starting right now, that she would muster the willpower to quit. But as soon as she began doing homework or watching television, her fingers ended up with her mouth. The counseling
दोबारा पढ़िए.
quit.
Willpower to
quit.
quit. Willpower to quit. छोड़ना. ठीक है, वो ये सारा कोशिश करती रही. अपना गंदा टेस्ट करने वाला नेल पेंट लगाई कि वो नेल बाइटिंग का हैबिट खत्म हो जाएगा. मुट्ठी बांध के रहती थी, वो हो जाएगा. ठीक है. इसके अलावा but as soon as she began watching television, her finger ended up. फिर दोबारा वापस से वो उसी पोजीशन पे उसके मुंह की तरफ चला जाता. ओके. विशाल कुमार. Rule 89, please come here.
The counseling center referred Mandy to doctoral psychology student who was studying in treatment known as habit reversal training. The psychologist was well equipped with golden rule of habit change. He knew that changing Mandy nail biting habit required
Well
inserting
acquainted.
new routine into her life.
साल आवाज नहीं गया क्या? What do you mean by acquainted?
Ma'am, acquainted. मैम जानती थी यार, मतलब
I know you very well, sir. I am acquainted to you. आप मेरे जान पहचान के हैं, ठीक है? इस तरीके से हम यूज करते हैं। तो साइकोलॉजिस्ट को यहाँ पे अच्छी तरीके से पता था गोल्डन रूल ऑफ हैबिट चेंज के बारे में, ठीक है? तो आप इस तरीके से डेली यूज कर सकते हैं acquainted. That person is acquainted to me. विशाल डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, ये डॉक्टर मेरे जान पहचान का है, ओके, दैट डॉक्टर इज acquainted to me. इस तरीके से आप यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है?
okay. He knew that changing Mandy nail habit required inserting new routine in her life. What do you feel right before you bring your hand up to your mouth to bite your nails? He asked her. There little bit of tension in my fingers, Mandy said. It hurt a little bit here at the edge of nail. Sometimes I will run my thumb along looking for hangnails, and when I feel something catch, I will bring it up to my mouth. Then I will go finger by finger, biting all the rough edges. Once I start, it feels like I have to do all of them. Asking patients to describe what triggered their habitual behavior is called awareness training. And like AA, insistence of forcing alcoholic to recognize their cues. It's the first step in habit reversal training. The tension that Mandy felt in her nails cued her nail beating habit. Most people have
biting पढ़ेंगे आप.
okay, nail. Most people habit have occurred for so long they don't pay attention to what caused it anymore, said Brad Dufresne, who treated Mandy. I have had a sutter who come in and I will ask them which word
I have
or
had
situation.
ये
Yes ma'am.
इसको फिर से पढ़िए.
मैम आवाज क्लियर नहीं था मैम, फिर से वो बोली ना.
जो मैं हाईलाइट की हुई हूँ उसको फिर से पढ़िए.
Stuttering. I will ask which word or situation triggering their stuttering, and they don't know because they stop.
स्टटरर्स किसको बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे? क्या होता है ये? अगेन ये नए हैबिट के बारे में बात कर रहा है, इसलिए मैं पूछ रही हूँ. ये नेल चुइंग वाला हैबिट तो है, और कौन से हैबिट के बारे में बात हो रही है? स्टटरर्स किसको बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे? हकलाने वाले, ठीक है, जिसको हकलाने का प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है?
Okay. They don't know because they stopped noticing so long ago. Next, the therapist asked Mandy to describe why she bit her nails. At first, she had trouble coming up with reason. As they talked through, it became clear that she bit when she was bored. The therapist put her in some typical situation, such as watching television and doing homework, and she started nibbling. When she had worked through all the nails, she felt a brief sense of completeness, and she said that was a habit reward, a physical stimulation she had come to crave.
ओके, यानी वो क्या होता है कि वो एक स्टिमुलेशन फील होता है, ठीक है, जब नेल बाइट करती है तो, ठीक है. उसके बाद आगे वो बताएगा कि थेरेपिस्ट बताएंगे कि कैसे रिकवर करना है. तो यहाँ से हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे एट द एंड ऑफ देयर फर्स्ट सेशन. ओके, रिमेंबर पेज नंबर 96. कल तो ऑफलाइन क्लास ही होगा. ऑलराइट. ये यहाँ से हम लोग कल करेंगे। पेज नंबर याद रखिएगा। Okay, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your roll number also?
4, ma'am.
6,
Yes, ma'am. 6.
7,
Yes, ma'am.
8, 9,
Present, ma'am. 9.
10, 11,
Yes, ma'am. 10.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13, 14,
Yes, ma'am. 14.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Roll number
16. ये कुछ बोल रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Roll number 8.
Roll number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
17, 18, 19.
Yes, ma'am. 19, ma'am. 19.
हाँ, रविराज एक बार भी बोलेंगे 19 समझ में आ जाएगा।
Sorry.
20, 21, 22,
Ma'am, 22 present.
23, 24. Yes, 20, 21. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
Present.
27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 39, 40,
43.
38, 38 हो चुका है। 41, 42, 43.
43 present, ma'am. 43.
Okay.
Ma'am,
एक
roll
और
number
आवाज है।
41.
41,
Yes, ma'am.
41,
मैम रोल नंबर 18 मार्क कर दीजिए ना, एक नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम।
18 होके लास्ट में बनाती हूँ। 44, 45, 46.
Yes, ma'am. 45.
47, 48, 49, 50,
Yes, ma'am. 50.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70,
69.
Yes, ma'am. 70.
71, 72, 73, 74,
74, ma'am.
मेरा 48 बना दीजिए ना।
लास्ट में 75, 76, 77,
I'm 76 present.
77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 80,
Yes, ma'am.
81, 82, 83,
83, ma'am.
84, 85, 86,
81 मैम 81 मैम
86, 87, 88,
मैम 87
88, 89, 90,
I'm 89.
91, 92, 93.
92 मैम
Okay. 93, 94, 95, 96,
95. 95 मैम.
okay,
मैम 96
okay,
मैम 97 का नेटवर्क ऑन नहीं हो रहा, उसका 97 का बना दीजिएगा.
fine, 98, 99, 100, 101,
मैम 97 का बना दीजिएगा.
97 का बन चुका है, 101,
58
एक
51 बन
मिनट,
गया है मैम.
1 बना रही हूँ, आप 58 बोल रहे हैं, रुक जाइए. 101 है, 102, 103, 104,
104 प्रेजेंट मैम.
105, डन इधर सबका. अब क्या बोल रहे हैं, 58,
18 मैम 48 मैम
48 और 18.
65 मैम.
65 मैम
ओके,
मैम 81 बना दीजिए.
81 बना हुआ है. ऑल राइट, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू मैम.